Please tell them that she desperately needs help. All right, I'm going to sentence you to 2 years. Well, no, I'm going to sentence you to 3 years deferred adjudication. Of course, if she completes everything early, she can get off early, but she needs to go to somebody's drug court, and that's going to be felony drug court because she has an issue. And the fact that you have children who are ages 17, 7, 6, 5, 4, 2, and you're not raising any of them tells me Child Protective Services was involved and you didn't do your parenting classes or you couldn't stay off drugs.
Enjoy the video. Hit the like button.
State of Texas versus Abby Marino. Can I have parties announced for the record for the state? For the defense? And are you Miss Marino? Counsel, I'm showing you the discovery acknowledgement. Have you received all the discovery in this case and did you review it with your clients?
Yes, I have, Your Honor.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Ms. Marino, I'm showing you what's entitled application for deferred adjudication or community supervision. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it? And did you sign it? I'm gonna need you to speak up, okay? I'm showing you what's entitled true bill of indictment. Did you review that document with your attorney? Did you understand it? Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
Yes, we do, Your Honor.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
We are, Your Honor.
Ms. Marino, I'm showing you what's entitled court admonishments. Did you review that document with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in all the appropriate places? Did you understand you're charged with possession of a controlled substance, penalty group 1, less than 1 gram? That's a state jail felony. The range of punishment is anywhere from 180 days up to 2 years in the state jail facility and up to a $10,000 fine. Did you understand? After reviewing state's exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty. Court will defer finding you guilty as you've applied for deferred adjudication. Counsel, are we proceeding with sentencing?
Yes, we are, Your Honor. We're waiting for preparation on the case.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
We are want the court to accept the agreement that we have with the state. And we'll be taking care of the misdemeanors for we're going to be clean on the misdemeanor case. For the if she's started probation, we're asking for that this probation to be confirmed with the misdemeanor probation.
What misdemeanor probation?
It's on that case, Your Honor. It should be one of the cases that's concurrent for judgment side.
Okay, so it's concurrent with 684-769, correct?
Yes, Your Honor. That's it.
All right. So, Ms. Marino, how old are you?
35.
Do you have children?
Yes.
What are their ages? 17, 7, 6, 6, 5, 4, 2. Is Child Protective Services involved? I'm sorry? All right, so your rights were terminated?
I'm
All right. Well, what about which 4? Well, what about the 2-year-old? Okay. All right. Are you employed? When's the last time you had a job? Okay. How far did you go in school? Why did you drop out? All right. So is there any gang affiliation with you? All right. What's your drug of choice? No, it's more than alcohol because we're not here for possession of alcohol. So you were in the vehicle with somebody and there was cocaine, meth, brown heroin, drug paraphernalia. So nobody's hanging around with people just doing alcohol. Have you ever done heroin? Have you ever done cocaine? Marijuana? Prescription medication? All right. Any other type of drug that you've done other than those? Have you done ecstasy? All right. So are these the only drugs that you've ever done? All right. And who is Reynaldo Esquivel to you? All right. He's going to remain your ex. Okay. All right. Probation.
Yes, Your Honor.
I know that felony drug court is filling up quickly, but please tell them that she desperately needs help.
Okay.
All right. I'm going to sentence you to 2 years. Well, no, I'm going to sentence you to 3 years deferred adjudication. Of course, if she completes everything early, she can get off early, but she needs to go to somebody's drug court, and that's going to be felony drug court because she has an issue. And the fact that you have children who are ages 17, 7, 6, 5, 4, 2, and you're not raising any of them tells me Child Protective Services was involved and you didn't do your parenting classes or you couldn't stay off drugs. So we're going to help you with that. Okay. So it's going to be 3 years deferred adjudication, a referral to felony drug court. She's to remain in custody until accepted. And if for some reason felony drug court doesn't accept her, I'm going to want a TAP evaluation while in custody. And before she's released, I want to have another hearing if felony drug court doesn't accept her. Felony drug court, because we're late in the week, they'll probably end up seeing you Monday or Tuesday of next week. Okay. I'm going to want proof of employment within 30 days of release. There's to be no employment as a home health care provider or with minors. There's to be no unsupervised contact with minors. There's to be regular reporting by Zoom or in person. The UA hotline until further notice. And I'm going to want field visits, probation. I'm sorry. It's going to have to be 3 times per month because I don't know if the grandparents got with her and decided we're going to take the children, but technically and for all intents and purposes, they'll be with you. So we're going to do field visits 3 times per month until further notice. Probation, is there anything else she needs?
Did you say anything about community service hours?
We're going to do 200 hours of community service restitution. 40 of those hours will be waived if you provide the proof of the COVID vaccination. Court is not requiring you to do that, but if you do, 40 of those hours will be waived. And I'm going to want parenting classes. And once those parenting classes are completed, the remaining community service hours will be waived. And there's $57 restitution to Bear County Lab. And this run concurrent with 684769. Probation, is there anything else? Ms. Marino, is there anything else you need from the court? All right, I'm going to show you what's entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it? And did you sign it? Because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waive your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Do you understand? All right, we can go off the record. Here's the thing, Ms. Marino. You can't continue to have children and not take care of them. And children deserve to be in a home where their parents are clean and sober. So your children are still very young. I know your rights have been terminated, but you still could probably end up being a part of their life if you're clean and sober. But if you have no intention of being clean and sober, don't bring that nonsense to their grandparents' doorstep. You just keep on moving with your life and send money back home. You understand? All right. Good luck to you.
Thank you.
You're welcome. All right. The court is calling 2021 CR 9419.